Hey everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make that perfect soya bean powder that will be good for your babies and you can also enjoy it too. See, this soya beans was prepared with no nonsense added to it. We all know the importance of soya bean powder for growing kids and even for adults. So to make this, you have to be very careful and know the kind of ingredients you add to this. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare this soya bean, and this particular soya bean can last as long as you want, and you can enjoy it any way you want. You can enjoy it with your pap, you can enjoy it alone. So guys, if you want to find out how I prepare this soya bean, make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, just take a moment and click on the subscribe button. Alright guys, to prepare this soya bean powder, I'll be using soya bean. This is how the soya bean is like. So if you've never seen soya bean seed before, this is exactly how it looks like. So it always comes with a lot of dirt, stones and sand, so make sure you just remove that. I've already removed that for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this soya bean into a bowl. See, there are two ways of preparing this. You can decide to boil first and use outrightly, but this I am going to just soak it overnight. I'm going to pour water, cover it and leave
with
it.
this. Now the
next morning
will
come back come
this.
out. See,
so I just
that's
going to wash this and remove the skin from the main soybean seed.
After we are satisfied with that, I'll just pour water and give it a final rinse like I am doing here. So what next we are going to do now, we are going to transfer this into a tray. Just because if you are doing a larger quantity, you need a very big tray to transfer this, and I'm going to allow this to dry under the sun. So make sure there is sun when you are preparing this. It's always very good to prepare this during the dry season so it can easily dry. This particular quantity took only 2 days to dry up. So after it is dry, see what we are going to have. It will look like this. It is well dried now, so we are going to start the preparation process. I'll be transferring this soya bean into my non-stick frying pan. So we are going to toast this up. You will notice the aroma coming from this once it starts toasting. So I'm just going to be stirring this soya bean occasionally so that they can all toast evenly. Once you see the soya bean turning this brown, just know that it is ready. So I'm going to transfer this into my plate and just allow it to dry. I'll just allow it to cool down a little bit. So these are the other ingredients I'm adding to it. I'm using dates and cashew nut, and this is very okay for your soya bean. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to blend this up. Dates and cashew nut with my soya bean. The mixture is very nice. You need to try it out. And to blend this, you'll be using a very good blender for it so that it can just blend off very easily and smoothly. So I recommend this MS blender. You can check them out on their Instagram page. So see, the soya bean is being well blended. So after blending this, we'll transfer this into a bowl. At this junction, you can decide to sieve it, but I'm just looking at this, I'm feeling it, and I noticed that the blender did its work very well. There is no need of sieving again. But if in your own case you feel that it is not smooth enough, you can go ahead to sieve it. So what you'll be needing is an airtight container to store your soya bean. See, the soya bean is ready and it is very nutritious. No nonsense was added to this. You are sure that it's not going to grow much and it can last as long as you want. See, this particular soya bean powder can be enjoyed by adults and children. So it is very healthy and it is very safe. And this particular soya bean powder recipe can be enjoyed raw because everything in it is edible. So guys, thank you for watching this video to this point, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. Just share with me below what you think about this recipe. Make sure you comment below and share this recipe with your friends, your family, your friends that have little babies. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.